Hello, welcome to Recto for You. Best of all, it's almost Christmas, so happy Christmas everyone. Yes, it's Christmas, great one. So what we're going to be doing today is just a short video. It's going to be a very short video, unfortunately, of opening this box here so we can have a look at a future project, because it's Christmas and I've got family visiting, and also I've took on the huge task of insulating this place because I need somewhere warmer to work. It's going crazy at the moment, so I'm going to have to dismantle the whole lot, take off all the plug sockets, etc., and I'm going to be redesigning it slightly as well. Maybe putting some extra shelves in for the soldering iron and stuff to take it off the bench. So hopefully it should all work out well, but let's see. I shall try and get a video out next week if I can, but if not, you know why. It's because I'm still working on this. So I hope you all have a great Christmas, like I said before, and thank you if you're still here following me from the start. I'm like, I think 10 months old now, maybe 11, but I think maybe 10 actually. I think we hit 1 year old in February, which is around my birthday time as well. I decided to start this. So we're just going to crack on with this and get this open, and I shall see you soon after the intro. See you soon, guys. So what we're going to do is open this box. And you should know what it is anyway. So I'll grab some scissors. I've got loads of scissors up here, and we will open it live on video. So it's easier said than done. Just nearly cut through a wire, and I hope you didn't see that. So I'll try to get into this. Like Christmas, isn't it? Well, it is Christmas. Right. Okay. So in here we have some polystyrene. Okay, we'll put that to one side. And also this definitely looks like, I'll tell you now. Right, so we'll just move that. Where this has come from, okay? This is a ZX Spectrum Plus. This looks like it's been in storage in a damp area. But this is what's good. Look at this. It says on here, I need to take a picture of this, and then I'll put it up on the screen. It basically says chargeable repair, manufacturer's repair, service charge £32.40. VAT £5.60, total £38.7. You have extended warranty or insurance does not affect this claim. So it looks like it's been in for repair, and it costs £38, which is quite a lot of money, wasn't it, for this? I mean, that box is just beyond saving. Okay, so that's how that is. So let's just have a look here, see what we got. It was again. There you go. So we got the ZX Spectrum Plus here, which has got to avoid damage your computer, switch off before connecting or disconnecting accessories, and got some sort of fluid on there. But it looks, I mean, yeah, it could be better. I mean, we'll have a look. It's not missing its feet, and it's still got a warranty seal there intact. Some of the screws have got some slight rust on them. What else have we got? We've got the cable here for the tape drive. We've got an original power supply, which is always good to have, and we've also got a ZX81 user guide. The great price of £4.95 on the back. Now it's a bit wavy because it looks again like it's been damp, but at least the pages ain't stuck together. Oh, what did it just say? There's pages stuck together at the back. At least, I hope they're stuck together with water anyway. They should be, shouldn't they? Not one of them types. So, yeah. We'll see how that is. And I just wanted you to see this as I opened it. Because what we're going to do, I did want a quick, what's his name on this? What was it? A quick survey. And I haven't checked it back, but last time people said try and save it and keep it original. So we'll try that and try to keep this on original. If not, then we'll fit the Harlequin board inside it as well. But we can use this keyboard on the Harlequin. More than likely it's going to need a membrane fitting. More than likely it's going to have problems, and I could do something with this badge as well to sort this out. So what we're going to do is, in a future video, we're going to strip all this down and we're going to test it. I'm not going to test it today because, like I said, I'm really short on time at the moment. So I'm going to end that video here. I know it's super short and I haven't really done anything, but I just wanted to show you inside this box what we bought. And I shall mention it again. Have a great Christmas. Drink as much wine, whiskey, chocolate as you like. Eat as much food as you want. It's Christmas. But most of all, enjoy your time with your family and your loved ones, okay? I shall see you again soon after the short Christmas break. Hopefully with a new room, all warm and cushy. So thanks again for watching, everyone, and I'll see you all again. Merry Christmas, guys!